welcome to my channel. My name is Ilya and I'm a food enthusiast. Today I will share a recipe of how to make a cranberry sauce. This is a super simple recipe, so you will be wondering, why did I ever buy it in a store before? You will need the following ingredients for the recipe. 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water or orange juice if using, or mix of two. 12-ounce package of fresh or frozen cranberries. Optionally, you can add orange zest, cinnamon or nutmeg. Okay, preparation steps. Step number 1. Take fresh or frozen cranberries and put them into the medium-sized pot. Step number 2. Zest 2 oranges using zester into the pot. Squeeze several oranges or use store-bought orange juice. You need to get about 1 cup of liquid. You can mix it up with water to get a full cup. Add this liquid into the pot as well. Step number 3. Add about 1.5 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to the pot with cranberries. Add 2/3 cup of sugar. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until you see it become right consistency. Taste it to see if you need to add more sugar. And this is it! It will fill your kitchen with amazing smell of holidays. I guarantee you will be proud of this creation at the dinner table. And of course, cranberry sauce goes great with turkey. Check out my recipe on how to make perfect, moistest turkey for your holiday season. Click on the link above. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Have a great holiday season, everyone.